Metric measures. Length. Conversion of length. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Example: convert 7 centimeter and 8 millimeter into millimeters. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Then, 7 centimeters is equal to 7 multiplied by 10 equal to 70 millimeters. 7 centimeter and 8 millimeter is equal to 70 plus 8, which is equal to 78 millimeters. Adding and subtracting length. Example: add 88 centimeter and 6 millimeter to 71 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Step 1. Make two columns. One for centimeters and other for millimeters. Place the lengths in the columns. First, add the millimeters. 6 and 8 equals 14 millimeters. 14 millimeter can also be written as 1 centimeter and 4 millimeter. We put 1 centimeter as a carry over here. Step 2. Add the centimeter. 88 plus 71 plus 1 equals 160 centimeter. Thus the sum is 160 centimeters and 4 millimeters. Example: subtract 15 meter and 75 centimeter from 27 meter and 25 centimeter. First subtract the numbers in the centimeter column. 75 centimeter cannot be subtracted from 25 centimeter. So, borrow 1 meter from the meter column. Then, 125 minus 75 is equal to 50 centimeter. Since 1 meter was borrowed from the meter column, 26 meters are left. Step 2. Subtract the meter. 26 minus 15 is equal to 11 meters. Thus, the difference is 11 meter and 50 centimeter. Real-life application of length. The distance between tree A and tree B is 30 centimeter 9 millimeter, and the distance between tree B and tree C is 37 centimeter 8 millimeter. Find the total distance from tree A to tree C. Also, find the difference between both distances. To find the distance from tree A to tree C, add the distance from tree A to B and tree B to C. Total distance from tree A to C is equal to 68 centimeter and 7 millimeter. To find the difference between both distances, subtract the distance between tree A to B from the distance between tree B to C. The difference is 6 centimeters and 9 millimeter. Weight. Let us understand conversion of weight. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 grams. Example: convert 7 gram to milligrams. We know that 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Therefore, 7 grams is equal to 7 multiplied by 1000 equals 7000 milligrams. Adding and subtracting weight. Example: add 35 gram and 457 milligram to 27 gram and 648 milligram. Step 1. First, add the milligram 457 and 648. We get 1105 milligrams. It can also be written as 1 gram as carry over and 105 milligram. Step 2. Add the grams. 35 plus 27 plus 1 is equal to 63 gram. Thus, the sum is 63 gram and 105 milligram. Example, subtract 68 gram and 756 milligram from 90 gram and 345 milligram. Step 1. Subtract the milligram. 756 milligram cannot be subtracted from 345 milligram. So, borrow 1 gram from the gram column, as 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Thus, the difference is 589 milligrams. Step 2. Subtract the gram. 89 gram minus 68 gram is equal to 21 gram. Thus, the difference is 21 grams and 589 milligrams. Real-life application of weight. Vikas bought 750 gram 345 milligram of pulses and 125 gram 875 milligram of flour. Find the total weight of the items purchased. Let us write the information given in the problem. The weight of pulses purchased is 750 gram and 345 milligram. The weight of flour purchased is 125 grams and 875 milligrams. To find the total weight of both items, we have to add the measurements. Thus, the sum is 876 grams and 220 milligram. Capacity. Liters and milliliters are the commonly used units of capacity. The basic unit of measuring capacity is liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. And 1 milliliter is equal to 1 upon 1000 liters. Example, convert 75 liters and 125 milliliters into milliliters. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 75 liters is equal to 75 into 1000 milliliters equals to 75,000 milliliters. Thus, 75 liters and 125 milliliters is equal to 75,125 milliliters. Adding and subtracting capacity. Example, add 539 liters and 435 milliliters to 219 liters and 784 milliliters. Step 1. Add the ml. 435 milliliters plus 784 milliliters is equal to 1219 milliliters. 1219 milliliters can also be written as 1000 milliliters plus 219 milliliters. Step 2. Add the liter column. 539 plus 219 plus 1 is equal to 759 liters. Thus, the sum is 759 liters and 219 milliliters. Example, subtract 44 liters and 320 milliliters from 66 liters and 112 milliliters. Step 1. Subtract the milliliters. 320 cannot be subtracted from 112. So, borrow 1 liter from the liter column. Then, 1112 minus 320 is equal to 792. Since 1 liter was borrowed from the liter column, 65 liters are left. Step 2. Subtract the liter. 65 minus 44 is equal to 21 liters. Thus, the difference is 21 liters 792 milliliters. Real-life application of capacity. Example: Mahir mixed 15 liters 780 milliliters of orange squash and 39 liters 987 milliliters of water to prepare orange juice. Find the total quantity of the juice prepared. Amount of orange squash added in juice is equal to 15 liters 780 milliliters. Amount of water added in juice is equal to 39 liters 987 milliliters. Total quantity of juice prepared is equal to 15 liters 780 milliliters plus 39 liters 987 milliliters. Thus, the total quantity of juice prepared is 55 liters and 767 milliliters.